Good morning, everybody. Good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss for the topic of humor. In the previous part, we learned something about the humor. What is the meaning of the humor? A quality of funny. So, it is a quality of funny. According to this humor, we have two lessons also completed. The first one is the snake and the mirror. The second one is duck and the kangaroo. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about a third part, sea reading. So this sea reading lesson is a prose style. It is a short story, but it also has characters as well as the writer and some other information is passed through this story. Okay, the title of this story is what is that? Okay, let us see. For example, two persons are there. Okay, I will give the lines. Okay, see, here is one line. This one is another line. Which line is shorter than other? Okay, so yes, it is a shorter than this. See, so here see, two persons are given. One is tallest one, the second one is little, or else the shortest one. Short is called little, a small. So small, another meaning little. And you have a name. For example, your name is Lakshman or Ramu or some other. Okay, in the same way, here we have every person has a name. Another name is here particularly according to our lesson, another name is given. That name is Bobby. What's his name? Bobby. Yes. So total our lesson title is Little Bobby. What is the lesson title? Little Bobby. Okay. Little Bobby. This lesson is written by Richard Rao. Okay, Richard Rao. Okay, let us see some information about Richard Rao's lifestyle. Okay, or else about him. Richard Rao was born on, or else in 1955. In what year did he born? Was he born? 1955. His birth is 1955. And here, another thing is, here Richard Rao is an Indian writer. He is an Indian writer and author and poet. Indian writer, author and poet. And he wrote many stories, short stories. He interested in literature, especially in literature. In what did he interest? In literature. Okay. So most of the time he also worked in literature. So it is the information about Richard Rao. Okay, he wrote the title of Little Bobby. Little Bobby is a small boy. He is a boy. He had an opinion and he expected something from his parents. And at that time, what happened? Let us see through this lesson. And Little Bobby, I am reading the paragraph in page number 22 from the textbook. Okay, let us see some points from the paragraph after paragraph, line to line. I am reading the line and look at your textbook. In that one, little boy came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up, and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little boy was a bit of a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. It is a short story. Okay, let us see some explanations according to these ones. Okay, what is going on through these lines? In first line, if we observe the first line, in the first line about little Bobby, okay, he expected something. Suddenly, or else unfortunately, or fortunately, or else luckily, he also entered into the kitchen. Why? Why did he enter into the kitchen room? Okay, he came into the kitchen because where his mother was making dinner. In the kitchen room, do you see his mother? Do you see his mother in the kitchen room? Yes. The writer also said in that case only. So, we found his mother in the kitchen room. What is the work of her? She was making a dinner for entire family. At that time, he also thought of something and he went to the kitchen. And after that, his birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. And here, his birthday also coming up in the early days. And after the 5 days or 3 days or also 1 month, after 1 month, he wanted to celebrate his birthday. And on account of his birthday, he wanted to get the gift. What type of gift he expected? What type of gift did he expect here? Yes, the bike, a bike. And that's why he went into the kitchen room. Okay, especially according to the first line, he went into the kitchen room because he also wanted to ask the bike from his mother. That's why. And then when he went into the kitchen room, then he asked like these all. And mom, he called his mom very lovingly, with the loving voice. And mom, for example, if we call your mother, how do we call? Mummy, or else mother, or else in our own language, we can call in other words. But here, he called with the nickname, or else he called her with a sweet word as a mom. And mom, I want a bike for my birthday. He said about he applied something before his mother. What did he say? Especially, he also said some more things before his mother with the lovely voice. He used the lovely voice before his mother, and he also expected something from his mother. That's why he also pleased her to give the bike for his birthday. Then little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. Then his mother also identified him as a troublemaker. What is the meaning of the troublemaker? A troublemaker is called one who makes some troubles, one who makes some nuisance, one who makes some dirty movements at school or at home. Okay, these type of the things are going on troublemaker. These ones are stayed as troublemaker. And he had gotten into trouble at school and at home. He also made much trouble at school as well as at home also. That's why she identified him as a troublemaker. That's why Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Okay, if Bobby wanted to get any bike from his mother, especially his mother also asked him to go into the room and ask the bike from the guard only. If he wanted to get the bike, okay, and she also thought of the different ways. And Bobby's mother asked him if he thought anything about his bike and if he had any desires to get a bike for his birthday. And little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Okay, especially, of course, he also expected something from his mother, but his mother also did not offer a bike for him. But instead of offering a bike to him, she also said some more things. Okay, Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday." Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jesse, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jesse sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. It is a paragraph. In the last paragraph, what is going on? Let us see. Bobby's mother also wanted to change the behavior of Bobby. I'm telling. Bobby's mother also wanted to change the behavior of Bobby. That's why she also asked him to check his behavior, what type of the behavior he had entered this last year. That's why. And she also asked him to go to his room and write a letter to the God. Then after that, he also got some angry. Instead of giving the bike, she also said no, and she also applied another thing before others. Before Bobby. And she also, when she said these all once, Bobby also stumped up the steps. She kicked the steps. Seriously, he walked in a noisy way. He walked in a noisy way, in a upset mood. He was upset in that case when he did not get any bike from his mother. And when he stumped into his room, at that time, Jesse, who is a Jesse? A pet animal. The pet animal also, his pet animal, what animal it is? Cat, rat, or some other? Tiger, lion? No. The paragraph says here, his pet dog. Jesse is a naming word for pet dog. Okay, and it also followed him when Bobby also stumped up the steps to the room. Then Bobby thought for some time. Seriously, he also thought of his condition, in what condition he was, and sat down to write a letter to God. He also opened his mind and he started to write a letter to God. And he writes a letter. And while he was writing a letter, then his pet dog also. One more question, students. Let us see what is the Jesse. Okay, here characters. If you see the characters here, characters. Okay, students, here some characters are also written on the board. Let us see. Those characters are, first character is the little Bobby, the second character is the little Bobby's mother, and the third character is the Jesse. Who is Jesse? Jesse is a pet dog. Whose pet dog it is? Little Bobby's pet dog. So in this paragraph, here also, Jesse, his pet dog followed him. Who followed little Bobby? Jesse. Jesse followed little Bobby. Why? It is his pet dog. Okay, that's right. And Bobby thought for some time why his mother asked him to write a letter to the God. He also thought of that severely. And at that time, he also went into the room and he also fully busy in writing a letter. And after that, Jesse also sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing, whatever he was doing in the room. Jesse also observed him. Jesse also find him by sitting beside him. And after that, he started the letter. Okay, totally he wrote 5 letters. How many letters did he write? 5 letters. Yes, 5 letters. He wrote 5 letters. Among these 5 letters, one first letter. Let us see what he wrote in the first letter. Okay, dear God, I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. It is a letter of Bobby. Bobby wrote a first letter. In the first letter, he wrote something about he was a good boy. He said directly as a friend. He pronounced it as a friend. And he also transformed a God is a friend of little Bobby, like that. And after that, he has been a very good boy until that year. After that, he also applied to get a bike for his birthday, on occasion of his birthday. And especially, he also used the request manner or also the ordering manner. He used the ordering or also request offering manner. He used the ordering manner. I want a bike, he said. Whatever the tempo of the voice did he use? He used the ordering voice. I want a bike, give me. By that he used the voice before the God by writing a first letter. But first letter is the correct one. Especially, he did not show his correct behavior toward the society. But he also showed the just as a troublemaker. And that's why he realized some more things. And he wrote another letter. Bobby knew that this wasn't true. What he has written in the first letter, that entire information is not true. He said this all. It was not true. But he had not been a very good boy this year. And that year, he also hadn't shown correct behavior toward the people. He made much trouble to the others. And that's why. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. Then he also thought severely. He also thinks of severely for the first letter, and he also tore that one. He also teared the letter, first letter, and he started again to write the second letter. The second letter, what did he write? Let us see some information. Dear God, he pronounced the same tempo of the voice. He used the same tempo of the voice. And this is your friend Bobby. He introduced himself. He also said something. This is your friend, who is a friend to God, little Bobby. Little Bobby also used these all. And I have been a good boy this year, and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. He also said in the second letter that he was living as a good boy, as well as, and he also expected a bike from the God. As well as he wanted to get a bike, a red, especially the red colored bike. What about the color he did his choose? What about the color did he choose for the bike? Yes, red colored bike. And he wanted to get the red colored bike for his birthday. And he also exposed his gratitude like thank you. And he also used your friend Bobby. And whether it is a correct one or not. And we have to see some other things for the next second letters evidences. And Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. The second letter also was not true. It was not true. because in the first letter he also lived as not a troublemaker, like that he said. In the second letter also he supported to the first letter. What information he passed in the first letter, the same information is passed in the second letter also. He could not do any trouble on behalf of other ones, and he could not make any disturbance, any nuisance in any corner, like that he said in the second letter and first letter also. What information is passed in the first letter, the same information is passed in second letter also. But in the second letter, he expected with a colorful bike. In the first letter he said, if we compared the first letter and the second letter, in the first letter he said just bike. He expected the bike only. But in the second letter he said about the bike color also. But is it correct letter to write to God? Maybe or may not be. Let us see. Here, Bobby knew that this was not true either. So, he tore up the letter and started again. The second letter also was not true what he wrote in the second letter. That's why he also tore up that second letter also. And he started again to write a letter. Third letter he started. In the third letter what he wrote, let us see. And dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday, Bobby. He did not interfere with the friend. He did not expose his feelings as a friend. He did not say any word friendly. But he said simply here with the pride, he said some other things. What did he say in the third letter? He had been an okay boy, just okay. Nothing is going on. No more trouble is done. No more trouble is done in me. Nothing nuisance is done in me. Like that he also said here. And he also wanted to really get a bike for his birthday. He applied this out. Is it correct letter for Bobby's birthdays to get the bike? Let us see. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. This third letter also. Students, how many letters did he write in our lesson? 5 letters. But up to now, how many letters did you refer? Yes, 3 letters. Okay. In third letter, what did he say? He was living as a okay boy. But he also told something about his material. What material did he expect from God? Bike. What about the colorful bike did he want to get? Yes, red colored bike. So he asked a red colored bike. In what letter did he write? Yes, in second letter. Yes, in third letter he also expected a bike because he was a okay boy. And whether it is a correct letter or wrong letter, let us. Yeah, Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. He could not send this third letter also to God. Why didn't he send a letter to God? Because Bobby wrote the fourth letter. He also realized something. And he also thought of his behavior. What about the behavior he had in entire year? And he also realized some more things. That's why he could not send a third letter to God. And he wrote a letter, fourth letter again. Again he wrote a fourth letter. Here, God. Up to now, he used the dear God in the polite manner. He used the dear God. But here, he used the God. He also decreased his level of pronunciation. And he used his mind. before God. He put his presence before the presence of the God. And I know I haven't been a good boy this year. Enter this year, he also agreed, as he did not live as proper boy. And he exposed his feelings, and that's why he could not show the correct life to the others. That's why he also, I am very sorry, I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please. Thank you, Bobby. He also wrote a fourth letter. In the fourth letter, he said that he could not live properly, as well as he also wanted to live as a good boy. Thus he realized some more things, and he wrote something about his gift. What gift did he expect from the God? A bike. That's why. And for his birthday, he wanted to get a bike. Please give me a bike for me. And when you have provided the bike, automatically I can set up my behavior like that. He also said these all wants to the God. And after that, he also said another thing. Is it correct letter? Which letter is sent to God in fourth one? Fourth letter is the correct one? Maybe or may not be. Let us see in the next page number 22 textbook. And Bobby knew everything. What he wrote in the fourth letter, Bobby also knew everything. That's it. Even if it was true, what he wrote in the letter of fourth, even though it was true, even though he accepted his troubling, even he accepted his mistakes, what type of mistake he had done, these all were accepted by him, but this letter was not going to get him a bike. Even though he sent that letter to the God, he could not get a bike from God. Due to that reason, now Bobby was very upset. He also very upset. He was very upset. Why? He was dissatisfied. He did not satisfy himself because he could not get a bike from God. He wrote everything, what feeling he had. He wrote everything. He wrote his feelings. He wrote his emotions. He wrote his mistakes. Everything. He agreed. What mistake he had, everything was agreed by him. Agreed to him before God. That's why he also expected something from God, but God does not give a bike to him. That's why he was upset. And he went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. Okay, and slowly he got up from his place, from his room, and he went to downstairs, from his upstairs to downstairs. And he also visited mom. He told something to his mom, his mother, and that he wanted to go to his church. And he told something to his mother that he also wanted to go to church. Why? What is the reason? The reason is, we don't know. But Bobby expects something. Bobby had other ideas. But mother also had some more ideas. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked, as Bobby looked very sad. When Bobby was in the sad mood, then Bobby's mother also realized, or Bobby's mother also thought of him some more things. Okay, what plan she had, everything was working. Everything was working. Like that, she also felt that, and everything had been, her plan had worked out. And just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Okay, while he was going to church, then mother also asked him to come to the home to take a dinner earlier. Then Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Okay, Bobby also took some permission from his mother, and he also walked very fast to the church on corner, and he entered into the church, and he saw other corners, and little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Little Bobby slowly moved towards the altar. Oath. Altar is called a oath. And altar. See. Altar. Oath. So here he reached to the oath, and he thought of severely. He looked around to see if anyone was there. He also searching. He also observing each and every person whoever presented in the church. And after that, Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. Okay, slowly he also bent his legs. He also bent his twist, and he also slowly picked up a small statue from the church, and he slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. And immediately, without wasting his time, he also walked fast. And he also, when he ran into the house, he closed his doors, and he entered into the house, and he reached to his room, and he shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Immediately he kept that statue, Mary statue, who the statue belongs to the God's mother. Okay, and he took a piece of paper and he took a pen and he started to write a letter. And Bob began to write his letter to God again. He kept that statue beside him, and he started his writing to write a letter to God. And in the fifth letter, what did he say? God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you wanted to see her again, send the bike, Bobby, with a gloomy voice, with a harsh voice. He also wrote a letter to God. He also said something that he had kidnapped the statue of Mary, and he also ratified the voice before the God. If the God wanted to see his mother, the God must give a bike. Like that he said. These are all instances. What is the fun in this one? Writing a letter to God in the kidnapping a statue is a fun. Understood? Dear students, how many letters did he write in the lesson? Yes, 5 letters. Which letter is the correct letter? 4th letter. Which letter is a funny letter? 5th letter. Which letter is a incorrect letters? 1, 2, 3 letters are incorrect letters, because those letters also increase his pride and increase his mistakes. But here finally he realized, and but he did not change any more things. He lived as a troublemaker. Who is a troublemaker? According to our lesson, who is a troublemaker? Little Bobby. Yes. Okay. At first, if he needed a bike at that time, to whom did he want to ask a bike? His mother. Okay. Did his mother accept his acceptances? Did his mother ask anything? Yes. His mother also did not accept his opinion. His mother also said some other things. Have understood? Let us see some meanings, okay, from this lesson. Students, let us see some meanings from our lesson. Little Bobby, okay, came into his meaning is entered. A troublemaker is called a person who makes troubles. Deserved is called qualified to have something. Reflect is called think. Stump is called walked in a noisy way. Upset is called disturbed. Slipped is called a hide. Okay, he slipped a statue under his shirt. It's called. He also hide a statue under his shirt. In that. Okay, students, let us see some phrasal verbs. What phrasal verbs are given in our lesson? Here, phrasal verb is called the one verb as well as with the one verb with a preposition. It gives a special meaning. Those type of the words are phrases. Two words are called a phrase. So those two words are one verb, one preposition or adverb. Both of them are also collected as a one word, one expression. Those type of the ones are called phrasal verbs. Those phrasal verbs are used. Those type of the phrasal verbs are used in our lesson. Little Bobby. So get into is meaning is become. So here, how to use that word in our lesson? With using the get into, the sentence is framed here. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Okay, it is a usage of phrasal verb. Here, see, gotten. V3 verb it is. V3 verb. What is the V1 verb? Get is the V1 verb. So got into is used as a sentence in our lesson. And come up. Second word is a come up. Coming up is used in our lesson. So come up meaning is make a approach. So how to use that word in our in the sentence? Okay, his birthday was coming up, and he thought it was a good time to tell his mother. It is a use of the word coming up, come up. Yeah, that meaning and meaning is given as well as how to use of the word also is given here. Reflect on. The third one is reflect on. That meaning is consider or think. Consider or think. It is reflect on meaning is a consider or think. So Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior. Reflect on his behavior. So in this way we also use that word in the sentence framing. And tore up. Okay, tore up word is given here. Tear up. Tear is a V1 verb and preposition. So both are connected as a phrasal verb. And Bobby tore up the first letter and started to write again. It is. So one phrasal verb is given. How to use that phrasal verb? Also usage of the phrasal verb also is given here. So four words are given here. You should understand this one. You have a lot of ones. Here have another words also. I will give the phrasal verbs. I will pick out the phrasal verbs from them, and you should write the meaning as well as the uses of the word. What sentences are framed in the lesson. Okay, now, students, we have more than other phrasal verbs also are given here. The phrasal verbs. Fifth one is walk down, but I did not give an example which systems are formed in the lesson. You should find that one what meaning. You should find the meaning also, and you have to write an example with using the phrasal verb. And go is a verb, into is the preposition. Both of them also will give the single meaning. What meaning is? You should write a meaning and write a uses of the word. And took around, bent down. Sit down, pick up. Okay, these are all phrasal verbs. You should write meanings for these ones and how to make your own sentences or the textbook sentence also. Okay. Next one is here. Let us see some important points from this lesson. Okay. Our title is Little Bobby. Okay, it is a funny story. How do you consider this one as a funny story? Okay. Do you write any letter to God in the kidnapped way? Do you escape any material from the eyes of God? But Little Bobby made that one. that incident is a funny. Okay, due to that reason. At beginning, he went to his mother and he asked a bike, but mother did not give any bike to him. But his mother also told him that he should go to the room to write any letter to God. The God only offer a bike. Like that she said. Immediately he also serious mood. With the serious mood, he also went to his room. And after that, he sat in particular corner. And he started to write. At that time, his paternal mother Jessie also along with him. After that, he wrote a first letter, but he wrote that mistakes. What mistakes he had done in his entire year, he did not write. But he also subbed himself. In the second letter also, he also subbed himself. In third letter also, he made the same mistake. But in the fourth letter, he also said the truth. And in 1 to 3rd letter, he did not say the truth, but in the 4th letter, he said the truth. Even though he said the truth, the God did not offer any bike. That's why he also left the room. And seriously, he also got down, and he came downstairs, and he went into the church. And after that, he reached to the church, and he took a statue of Mary. And he also hid that one under his shirt, and he took that one to his room, and he kept that statue beside him, and he started to write a letter to God. After that, God also saw that one, but he did not respond anymore. But he also told some of the words before the God, as he had kidnapped Mary. And if the God wanted his mother, the God must give a bike. Like that, he also ordered to the God. But what happened? Finally, he showed his funny incident through this lesson. Okay, thank you. Thank you to all.